Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to offset CAD. So you can create for the new part and click start to this CAD. I will choose the top plan. For example, you can draw circle and another I will draw a rectangle. If you want to offset like these circles, you can use the offset tools in modify, click and select the object. You can offset in outside or inside here. Like I will set into a 0,5 for the distance, press enter to apply. Okay, you can click the objects and then click outside, set for your distance like 2, enter again. So if you want to offset, you can use the offset tool, select the objects, and then choose your position outside or inside. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to offset.